Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the Josie fam. So fam, in this video I am going to share with you the color theory fundamentals and how to use that in your eyeshadow application. So if you are afraid of applying colorful eyeshadow, this video is for you fam. It's not that serious. Once you get the basic understanding, trust me, you would love to apply more colorful eyeshadow just by watching this video. So fam, before applying your eyeshadow, you need to go in with an eyeshadow primer, and in this case I'm using a concealer, and this is going to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. So fam, the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use in this video is a Ghanaian brand called Sarat Cosmetics. I love this beautiful palette because it has all these beautiful matte shades and it fits perfectly into this video because of the color theory fundamentals. So the topmost part of this palette has the warm colors and the lower part has the cold colors, with the exception of the white and the black. And so with the warm colors, these blend so well into each other, and the cold colors also blend so well into each other. So fam, you need to know the primary colors and the secondary colors. So in this case, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And so mixing any two of the primary colors is going to give you a secondary color. And so mixing red and yellow is going to give you an orange. Mixing yellow and blue is going to give you a green. And mixing blue and red is going to give you a violet or a purple. And mixing all the primary colors is going to give you a black. And so fam, this also means that orange blends in well with yellow and red, green blends in well with blue and yellow, and violet or purple blends in well with red and blue. And so fam, taking all this into consideration, I'm going to demonstrate with my beautiful model here. Her name is Na, and this is her second appearance on my channel. So I'm going to do the warm colors on one eye and I'm going to do the cold colors on the other eye. So I'm going to start with a neutral color as my transition shade, and a transition shade helps you to blend in the colors perfectly well. And so I used a warm color and almost like a neutral, just so that it does not interfere with the purposes of this video. So I'm going to take an orange and I'm going to blend that into the outer V. And fam, if you remember the warm colors and the warm tones and the primary and the secondary colors, I am going to stick to that and apply and mix a primary color, which is a yellow, and a secondary color, which is an orange, on this eye. And so I am blending in the orange, and because it is a matte color, I'm making sure that I pack before I blend so that I control the color. And I'm using a fluffy brush. And fam, all the brushes I'm going to use in this video will be linked down in the description box below. So fam, I'm going to cut the crease now, and I'm going to use a flat tapered brush and a concealer, and I made my model look up so that I see where the cut crease is going to end, and I'm going to apply that from the beginning of the lid to the middle part of the lid. This is because I am going in for a semi-cut crease. So fam, in doing a cut crease, if you want that perfect sharp cut crease, you need a precision brush that is going to help you do that, or you need to have steady hands. And so I am going in to apply this matte yellow. And so fam, if you remember, I said orange is going to blend in well with yellow, where orange is the secondary color and yellow is the primary color. So from here, I'm going in with a detailed brush on the edges of that yellow cut crease I did, just to make sure that it's perfectly blended in well. I am now going in to blend the orange and the yellow where it meets, so that I have that smooth transition and there are no harsh lines or lines of demarcation. So fam, what I'm doing now is to go in with both the orange and the yellow, just to make sure that I get that perfect blend. So fam, now that I am done with the other eye, I am now going in with this eye, and I'm going to start with that transition shade I used. And for this eye, I'm going to do the cold colors, and I'm going to blend a blue and a green, with blue being my primary color and green being my secondary color. And if you remember, I also said that green blends in well with blue. So fam, I'm going to pack that blue on the outer V and blend the edges. And I'm going to use a clean brush to blend the edges, after which I'm going to cut the crease just like I did with the other eye and go in with the green shade. So fam, just like I did with the other eye, I make sure I go in with the colors just to blend where the two colors meet, to avoid any lines of demarcation. And so I'm going to go in with the two colors, the blue and the green, and blend them together to my satisfaction. So fam, I make sure I go in and blend. So in applying eyeshadow, you have to make sure that you blend well, and so I am going to finish by blending the edges to avoid any harsh lines or any lines of demarcation. So fam, I keep going in with the colors just to make sure that I am satisfied with the outcome. And so I went in and applied some falsies and some eyeliner as well, and I'm going to work on the under eye area. And so for the under eye area, on the warm side, I am going to take an orange from the beginning of the lower lash line area, and I am going to use a red on the outer side, and I'm going to merge it in the middle and blend the two colors in the middle. And so just like I did for the lid, I am doing for the lower lid area. And so fam, I make sure that I maintain the colors in the warm section or on the warm side, and so I am not mixing the warm colors and the cold colors. I am sticking with the warm colors on one side and the cold colors on the other side. And so on the cold side, I am using a lighter green for the beginning of the lower lid area, and I am going in with a more purple color on the outer lid area, and I'm going to merge the two and blend so that everything flows seamlessly. So fam, I'm going to finish with some mascara on the bottom lashes, and this will tie the whole look together. And I'm using a brush that I used on my mascara wand just to transfer the product on the brush, and this is going to help me get all the individual lashes on the lower lash line a coat, and I am making sure that all the hairs under there are well coated with the mascara, and all this is to make sure that the eye look is popping at the end. So fam, I am going in with some gold highlighter on the inner tear duct area. This is because I don't want to mix too many colors. I just want to stick with the basic colors, and so this is just to help the eye look to pop. So fam, this is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I also hope you learned a thing or two. And so comment down in the comment section your favorite side. Is it the warm side or the cold side? And I hope this video helps you to get rid of the fear of using colorful eyeshadows and play with some colors after watching this video. And so fam, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.